Well, okay, Coach Zeke's videos. Gonna do a quick comparison tonight, probably tonight, of these Echo in the Ear. We've had these for a few years. They're about on par with Winda's other great shell. You know, what the fuck they are? G-Forces that came out last year. Gonna be putting them up against. Oh, got a big heavy box on the 1st of June. Went down to the fireworks supplier and was going to restock on Thunder Kings and Dun Pie Smoke Cakes. Those are 1.3 items. Thinking that was the last day that my license was in force, and actually turned out that by God it wasn't. So that way it was not good on or after that date. So I didn't want to go out home empty-handed, so picked up this big heavy ass box here. Case of Keystone Smokin Hot artillery shells. Now Keystone, that's not, hopefully they're better than Keystone the beer, that's all I get. But anyway, they're an offshoot of Dominator. So we're going to see how those two shells go. Got some titanium salutes here that we're going to shoot off just to add a little noise to the situation. But anyway, going to do that. Anyway, in an upcoming video, I'll do a safety video talking about safety equipment and face shields and all of that kind of stuff. I won't be demonstrating any of that because it's too hot today. But anyway, just when I'm working around and stuff, I just at least have safety glasses on from work. These, you know, they're a little hard to get used to because they got the no-line bifocals. And then the other thing that these do is, as I'm working at work, they tend to just keep coming down my face all the time. And, you know, pretty soon, you're shimmering. Oh, but anyway. Oh, so anyway, you get 4 packs of 24 shells in here. And basically you're paying about half price if you get it wholesale. There's 4 of those 24 shell kits in there. I paid about $178. You pay about $85 in the retail store, any retail store. So what did it come with? It came with that. And when I opened up the box, it also came with Taurus 22 Magnum 941 revolver. Yeah, right. But it would be neat if it did, though. You got to add a little humor to, you know, you got to liven it up a little bit. But anyway, fireworks magazine. Oh, did I tell you too? We got a lot of pest control issues out here sometimes. You know, especially big spiders that I sometimes find out in the magazine. I'll show you. Check out my camera here. I'll show you something. I'll show you something you probably haven't seen before. Found this specimen out in the fireworks magazine. Look at that. They tell me that's a Brachypoma, a pyrolosum. Hell of a thing. Back when Casters had their demo, the guy from Badgerland Fireworks was telling me that he found a useless species of rat out in his magazine. So you never know what you're going to find when you're digging around out in the magazine. That's why you want to do a little tidy cleanup out there and a little pest control and the rest of it, you know, because, you know, if the agent comes by, he sure won't be very impressed if he saw something like that. So, you know, you might get written up. I don't know what that would be. It's probably a spider violation. I'd probably get written up for arachnids. But anyway, that's that. And we'll do, you know, the actual shell comparison hopefully tonight. So that's that. And that's about all I know about that. But anyway, in my video, I didn't really get like a good photograph or video of the Brachypoma pyrolosum. So there you got it right there. Like I said, I sent that off to my spider expert. So look at that thing. Well, I tell you what, if the agent has seen something like that in the magazine, they wouldn't have been very fucking impressed. So you don't want stuff like that going on. Well, okay, Coach Zeke's video is back here. We're gonna do the nighttime, like shell comparison here. I normally don't roll credits at the end of my videos, so I'm not going to do that. But just a special thanks goes out to a friend of mine that's kind of like the reptile guy. He's like the Jungle Bob / modern day Steve Irwin. We borrowed yesterday, for the first part of the video, we borrowed a curly hair tarantula from him. So I could, you know, use it as a prop as it goes to making shit of these large spiders that I find in my magazine. But anyway, so special thanks goes out to him. He's like, you don't want to borrow my OBT for the day? I'm like, my orange bitey thing? I'm like, no, we do not need to see me dropping everything and screaming like a girl and or being admitted to the ER. I'm not exactly, you know, the animal guy here. So anyway, we're gonna do the shell comparison right now. Okay, echo in your ear from a couple of years ago, right here, from Winda. Fuse is not cooperating as it usually doesn't. Pain in the ass. Fucking wind making it harder. Okay, that's echo in the ear. This wind is just fucking hellacious out here. Wind blowing over nothing. That's what it always does in Wisconsin. Nothing really going on in the weather, but it's always going to be fucking windy. Never changes. Okay, there's the other echo in the ear. Okay, now we hopefully can compare it to these ones from Keystone Fireworks or Smokin Hot Artillery. Come on, fucking fuse, get here. Don't got fucking time to piss with you. See what this one looks like. That one definitely had a little crack to it. I'm going to try to view this one outside of the viewfinder if I can. Those are a fucking good shell. Gotta say, they're almost on par with a fucking 3-inch. Oh my god. Anyway, we're gonna light off a couple of 2-inch titanium salutes, and either the camera will not die or it will die. Whatever the case be. Okay. Salute number 1. For those about the rock, I salute you. Fucker. Fucking wind. Wind being a pain in the ass. Okay, I'm just going to kill the video right here because we don't got fucking time to piss with it. Anyway, that's my shell comparison. We put the Keystone and the really Dominator. Smokin Hot Artillery up against the echo in the ear, which are absolutely on par with the Winda. Also, you know what? Oh, for fuck's sakes! Why can't I remember it? G-Force. And yeah, the Smokin Hot Artilleries are a little bit better. They're damn good. Okay, killing the video right now.